Here are some latest world news headlines, April 2026. The Guardian. Reuters. Trump news at a glance. President struggles to reopen strait as Iran rejects U.S. blockade. Take 5, war and worsening conditions? Today. April 17th. Newspaper top global stories. Middle East tensions escalate. Conflict between the U.S. and Iran is worsening, with Iran reportedly closing the Strait of Hormuz again, raising fears of a wider war and disrupting global oil supply. The Guardian. Global economy under pressure. Rising oil prices and geopolitical instability are increasing inflation risks worldwide, while major economies show mixed signals of growth and slowdown. Reuters. Russia-Ukraine war continues. Heavy strikes and ongoing fighting in Eastern Europe keep the region unstable, with international pressure on sanctions and diplomacy. The Guardian. Space milestone achieved. NASA's Artemis II mission marked a historic human journey beyond Earth orbit, the first since the Apollo era. Wikipedia. Globe showing Europe-Africa other important updates. Humanitarian crises rising. Conflicts in regions like Sudan and Congo are causing shortages of food, medicine, and displacement of people. Global issues. Global migration concerns. The number of migrants worldwide has reached record levels, putting pressure on health systems and economies. Global issues. Climate and energy issues. Energy shortages and climate-related disruptions are impacting food supply and global markets. Newswire. Trophy Sports, Global Highlights. World Snooker Championship 2026 begins. World Snooker Championship 2026 kicks off with top players aiming for major titles. The Sun. European Darts Grand Prix underway. Top players compete in Germany as the tournament continues. The Sun.